Tere hommikut, põllumehed. Täna on siis laupäev. Varahommik Inglismaal hakkame minema kesklinna.
Ja avastasime, et siin üks palm kasvab.
Good meis, nii ilus nimi.
No ühesõnaga õnnestus meil siis nüüd lõpuks aru saada, et tuleb päevapilet osta, mis kehtib nii bussis kui rongis.
Siis kui ei ole viipemakset, aga kui sul on viipemakse-kaart, siis on minu päevapilet 11 millegiga, ma leian sendit ja ma ei saada aru.
Noh, jälle rongis.
Jah, peatus 7 Kings.
7 kuninga peatus. Näete, ka siin riigis on kõik inimesed nutitelefonides.
This is the train to Heathrow Terminal 5.
Kohalik Tivoli. Me oleme jubilee mingisugust trammilaadsest ootes.
Raputab sisikonna välja. Ise muutad nagu seekord millegi pärast on nagu sellised väiksemad. Lihtsalt kuulake seda metroo heli.
Meie nagu nii ei kuule, kõrvad on lukus.
Kuskile põrgusse sõit.
Ja kui te seda lõhna veel tunneksite, see on puhas metall. Selline nagu see mingisugused trossid käivad üksteise vastu.
Millised on siis metroo mingisugused lahendused siin maal?
Just loodis mõju.
Where is the way out?
Kodus ära, siit.
Siit paneme jälle mööda nüüd. Ei ole, jah.
Issand jumal, kus me oleme jälle?
Ikka enne olematu. No ütleme nii, et Barcelona metroo oli nagu poisike sellega. Londoni metroo on ikka oluliselt hullem. Nüüd siis jõuame väravateni. Siuke pilet siis anti. Oi, millised lossid on kohe eest, Jesus Christ, oh my god, küll. Tule taevas appes ju, milliseid asju sa saad näha, kui sa tuled maa alt välja. Noh, mis sa tahaksid nüüd öelda?
Ma võtan mütsi ära ja ütlen, et ma olen kõigiga nõus.
No. Nüüd me alles näeme päris Londoni kesklinna. Vaata seda kella seal üleval.
Nagu see ongi Big Ben ju.
No.
Ei ole võimalik. Sattusime nagu kogemata Big Beni.
For the adults. Two cards.
Yes, I
Up
have a
here.
card.
And tickets. So you see the blue sign, Westminster Pier, you go in, you wait there for the next boat.
Okay.
And this is a ticket to go
And cards. hiirimuusika
No, no running. Noh, kus me positioni võtame?
And that's because by the time you've downloaded the app, you'll probably be at your destination and would have missed everything. Inside the tower is actually called the Elizabeth Tower, named after Queen Elizabeth. The only ones that do normally wave other people on holiday. All the others are normal Londoners, and we can be a miserable lot. The tower was when they built the bridge. That's because they chose the most expensive stone possible. Ahead of the boat, ladies and gents, right in front of us. Can you see the big glass building there, directly ahead of us? One of the most expensive places to live over on the south side of the river. It's called number 1 Blackfriars. The flood system we used to have in London. We don't need them anymore. But when they were in use, we used to have police officers going up and down the embankment, poking their heads over, making sure the Thames water did not go over the lion's head, because it doesn't matter each way. As you pass through, if you have a kiss, it's meant to bring you 8 years good luck. And any single ladies on board, you can get involved, because my captain is a single man. Just make your way up gradually, please. Don't push it or shove. Now again, if you do go to the top, ladies and gents, I do suggest you take a drink with you, because to get to the top will take you up 528 sets of stairs. But it is breathtaking, and I don't mean the stairs. Inside that building is the best job in London. Can any of you guess why?
Treasury.
No one wants to take a guess?
Treasury.
Well, inside that building is where they test all the beer. Bridge, and that don't look like much. People normally get it confused with Tower Bridge, but so you know I'm not. And there is a viewing platform inside the Shard, ladies and gents, on the 72nd floor, which normally costs you about £25 to go up. But if you look to your left, you see the building that's oval at the top, got the crane. There's something at the top of that building. I have not seen one puff of smoke come out of those chimneys, but we do have it on good authority that the people that work there throw the best Christmas parties. They normally, you'll see the famous Tower of London. The big tower in the middle that's got the 4 spires is called the White Tower. It was the first part to be constructed. It was constructed by William the Conqueror in 1060 of Tower Bridge. Now Tower Bridge is actually a very unique.
What destination?
see oli siis vanasti sõja või see mitte kindlus, vaid vangla.
Yes, that big tower. Come on, let's do it.
noh, mis sa tahaksid öelda?
Sõnatu lihtsalt. Nii võimas on, kõik on tehtud mingisuguste meeletute tööd.
We'll find you. We'll walk down.
On ikka sild ilma loodud või? Meeletu, mis ta siin on.
Ja kui see kunni käsul see tuli, siis mingisugune kunn ütles, et nüüd on vaja olgu valmis. Ja olgu tornidega. Käigu lahti ja kinni ja mis iganes.